Weather Service in Chicago has issued a beach hazard statement, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening through Tuesday morning. Location, Cook County shore. High wave action and dangerous swimming conditions expected. Forecast wave heights 1 to 3 feet with potentially dangerous and rapid water level fluctuations due to strong thunderstorms. Strong rip currents and structural currents expected. Life-threatening waves and currents are expected